Hi, baby. Pick it up. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Oh, night-night. Night-night. Silly baby. What are you doing, crazy girl? I see you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where's baby? Peekaboo. Where's the baby? Peekaboo. Where's Elizabeth? There she is. Where's Elizabeth? There she is. There you are. What are you doing? Silly girl. What are you doing? You're so silly. Where's baby? There she is. Where's the baby? There she is. Where's Elizabeth? Peekaboo. Where's Elizabeth? Peekaboo. You did it? What did you do? Yeah. You ready to get out? What do you want? You want your clothes? I think it's about time to get you a toddler bed. I think it's about time to convert your bed. What are you doing? You watch too much wrestling with Daddy, I think. Night-night. What are you doing, silly girl? I see your tummy. Do you have Bear? Oh no! Yeah, I see Bear. Where's Bear? You want Bear? I'm not giving you the towel. Poor Bear. Yes, I see Bear. You threw it on the floor. Are you ready to get out of bed? Ready to get up? Come on. Okay, you want to stay in bed. Are you having fun playing in bed? What are you doing, weirdo? Pretty. Yes, you're pretty butterflies. Butterflies. Yep. What is it? Butterflies. Yep. That's your name? It says Elizabeth. That's you. Elizabeth. Yes, I see your butterflies. No, there's no kitty in here. That? What is that? What? Bear? Where's Bear? Where's Bear? There's Bear. You silly baby. What are you going through? What? Yay, you did it! High five! No high fives? You did it all by yourself, big girl. Good job. Bear. Bear, bear. Pink bear. Backpack. Backpack, backpack. Do you get a letter? Yay! Here, do you want to get a letter? We just got a letter. Is that a book? Are you ready to get out of bed? Hey, you want to get up? You want to get up and come play? Want to come watch Blue's Clues? Want to go watch Blue? Backpack? You want to watch Backpack? Backpack. Do you want to watch Blue? Do you want to go see Blue and Joe? Yeah? You want to see Blue and Joe? Okay, well you have to get out of bed. They can't come in here. I see. Here, let's put your book away. Okay, you ready to get out of bed? Let's go watch Blue and Joe? Come on. Are you ready now?